Hello everyone, want to give you a glimpse today in what we do installing slam locks for this delivery van. The driver has been requested by the company he's working for to have slam locks installed on the vehicle, so this will make the van more secure. So with a slam lock installed, the door cannot be opened from the handle fitted from the factory. So every time to open a door, the driver has to use the special key and insert it into the barrel installed. This will make the van far more secure, because as I've shown in the previous videos, what happens on those vans, to get access into it, the thieves they do cut a hole in the rear door, and then very easily they manage to unlock it. So definitely next level security for the van, which in this case the driver has taken actually by a request of the company that he's working for. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, whenever your van or car needs security solutions, car keys, one name, OGS Mechanics Car Key Solutions. Thanks for watching.